Hey everyone, Said It Are Your Cars. Today we've got this 62 registered Audi A3 Sportback. It's a 2 litre TDI S-Tronic, black edition, 59,000 miles, ice silver. Lovely, lovely car. Being the black edition, it has got the full black pack. You get your xenon lights, your 18-inch rotor alloys, which are all in superb condition, privacy glass. This one's got a comfort pack, so you get rear parking sensors and cruise control. Of course, it's a facelift car, so you've got the LED lights. Your reg number's there for any checks you may wish to carry out. No dings or anything like that. No damage to point out. The odd small stone chip that you'll inevitably find on a car of this age. But tiny, not worth pointing it out. Inside, this one's got the black Sprint interior, I think it's called, but don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. But it's got the black interior, large boot with your parcel shelf, split fold rear seats, no spare wheel, but you do get all the kit. Your punctures and your rear sunshade blind as well. Part leather with rear isofix and rear electric windows. Piano black finishes. Bose audio, heated electric mirrors, auto lights and wipers. Your seats are all in fantastic condition. Flat bottom steering wheel. 58,906 miles. So just a little bit less than the 59 I quoted, but close enough. And we'll start the car for you. So it does start without fault. The radio does work, as you can hear. But there you have it. No warnings, no nasties. All very good. Got your paddle shifts and your multifunction steering wheel. Cruise control down there. Navigation Plus. We are waiting for a new media disc for that, so we've got no maps at the moment, but they'll be working as soon as we get the disc. That'll be probably tomorrow. FM, AM radio with your media inputs, which is in the glove box, I believe. Oh no, just auxiliary in this one. But should have Bluetooth as well. There you go, look, Bluetooth, insert telephone. And your rear parking sensors. Dual climate control. All very nice in the centre, all very clean. No damage or anything. You've got the armrest and your cup holder down there. That's really it. Oh, it's got auto dipping mirrors, which again, quite a rare option to find on these. That's interior and exterior. But yeah, got the Bose, got the Xenons, got the Cruise, and the Nav. Proper black edition. Get involved, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And finance is available. We do work with a number of lenders to try and find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.